Hi friends, happy to see you on my channel. Today we are drawing this yummy chocolate strawberry. Let's get started. Let's draw one curved line for the top part of the strawberry. This line will curve down from both sides. Now we will add some leaves on the top of the strawberry. One right in the middle. We will leave little gap in between and draw second and third leaf. And two more leaves are going to be behind. Once you have that, you can add little stem, two lines, and one oval on the top. Let's add some details to our leaves, and I will draw curved lines in the middle of three front petals. Now we can start drawing yummy chocolate part, and for this we will add one curved line connecting both sides of our strawberry. Just a random wavy line. The side of the chocolate dip will be same shape as strawberry. And we will stop here. And the same from another side. And to make our strawberry even more yummy, we are going to draw some extra chocolate dripping from the bottom. Alright, once we have the main shape, we can start drawing the face. I will draw two curved lines first. And on the top of those lines, I will draw circles. And I will leave highlights inside. And color the space around highlights in. Let's add some eyelashes. And tiny eyebrows. For the smile, I will draw one curve between the eyes, and I will add a tongue. Now let's not forget about strawberry seeds. I'm going to add some ovals. And I will add even more chocolate under the strawberry. And this is our line work. Now let's color our cutie. And after we are done, I will show you a couple of ways to extend this drawing even further. Make sure not to miss that part of the video. And here is our finished drawing. So now, once you drew that, you can try to draw another strawberry and add your own details. For example, you can give her different face expression or draw this cutie on the top of the cupcake. And that's it for now. Thanks for joining me today and hope to see you in my next videos. Bye!